What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about how to get diamonds in Geometry Dash. To get diamonds in Geometry Dash, there are several methods that can be employed. Here are 5 ways to collect diamonds. The easiest way to get diamonds is through daily chests. There are 2 types of daily chests, a big one that can be opened once every 24 hours and a smaller one that can be opened every 4 hours. It is recommended to open the smaller chest as often as possible, up to 3 or 4 times a day, to maximize the potential for collecting diamonds. Completing daily levels is another way to earn diamonds. These levels rewards diamonds, and even if you don't complete the level, you still earn some diamonds based on your progress. Quests are a reliable way to collect diamonds. They can reward up to 15 diamonds for completion, and there are 3 difficulties of quests that require collecting specific amounts of orbs, silver user coins, or stars. Gauntlet levels are another avenue for acquiring diamonds in Geometry Dash. These levels offer diamond rewards and do not expire, providing a consistent opportunity to earn diamonds. By completing multiple levels within a gauntlet, players can amass diamonds to progress further in the game. Exploring treasure room and opening treasure chests can yield diamonds for players. With gray chests requiring 1 demon key and gold chests needing 5 demon keys to unlock, players have a chance to obtain diamonds through this method. Investing in demon keys to access the treasure room can lead to valuable diamond rewards. By utilizing these methods effectively, players can enhance their gameplay experience in Geometry Dash and unlock various secrets and features within the game. Diamonds play a crucial role in progression and exploration, making their collection a worthwhile pursuit for players seeking to delve deeper into the game's content. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.